All right, so here we're going to be talking about the dissociation of carboxylic acids. All right, so here we are, carboxylic acid reactions. The first one we're going to be talking about is dissociation. So that is the reaction process, and the reaction name is ionization. Now the nice thing about this is this is something we have already seen before. Way back in 1201 when we were talking about Bronsted-Lowry acids and bases, we talked about the fact that acids are proton donators. And so is this exactly what we have going on here? So as my acid dissociates, it's actually going to be giving away a proton, and in this case to water. So what is left is a carboxylate ion and then the hydronium ion. Now what's important to note about this, a couple things, is number one, these are weak acids, so they do exist at equilibrium, and notice the double arrow in the reaction. The other thing that is really important for you to remember and to keep in mind is the fact that these salts, these ions that are formed, are actually very soluble. And so they are going to be much more soluble than their parent acid. Okay. Just again noting that carboxylate ions are very, very common organic polyatomic ions.